In this video, we will expand on our basic IP driver setup to look at a more complex device API. The device we'll be talking to is the projector emulator utilized during Masters 2021, MCP C101, and 201 sessions. Files will be provided accompanying this video. This projector emulator is a program written in C# to more closely emulate an actual projector and has a more extensive protocol than our initial device. We will need to load the emulator program into another slot on our CP4N and change our connection details to match what is listed in the document. The API requires an 11-byte message to be sent to the projector. This consists of a 4-byte header and delimiter, as well as 3 bytes representing the command. Commands to be sent are all ASCII and are case-sensitive. The responses vary compared to our earlier device and will require more work in the response validation class for correct handling. Most commands will simply respond with a 5-byte echo containing the command issued. However, power commands will respond appropriately with a warming or cooling stage, followed shortly after by a command echo. We will need to enforce this warming and cooling stage in our driver. The lamp hours response will contain a collection of bytes representing the lamp hours 1 byte per digit. That will need to be parsed and reported on our touch panel. A poll response is optionally included that contains the echo from multiple individual command requests. The protocol responses so far have contained a consistent structure with single header and delimiter byte. This emulator was designed that if power on, power off, or one of lamp hours or poll requests were received, that it would respond with the phrase, "Enter first and last name." This is truly a custom response that does not fit into any standard category in our driver JSON file. In response to this, our driver will send the required packet and the device will again respond with a second custom string. These custom strings will need to be printed to our panel. To prepare for talking to this device, the JSON file will need to be modified to match the API. All we will change for now are the standard command and the feedback strings to contain the core of the protocol. We will deal with the lamp hours feedback later on. To coincide with the changes to the device protocol, the panel project has been updated and will be included with the simple Windows testing program. The commands are single digital presses, and the feedback side additionally has visibility joins for warming and cooling states. There is a feedback button to indicate we have received the name request, and finally 2 indirect text fields for lamp hours and printing the final message from the device. In our next video, we will take this partially entered API and add code to build around what was entered in the JSON file. Thanks for watching.